Hey, welcome to Java Programming. I hope you are doing well today. In next few minutes, we will be setting up the Java environment. Java is a versatile programming language used to build a wide range of applications, from web app to mobile app and more. But before we can start coding, we need to set up our development environment first. The goal of this demo is to make this process easy and accessible for everyone. And these are some prerequisites. Before we dive in, ensure you have administrative privileges on your computer. Don't forget to have text editor handy. In this demo, we are going to use Notepad editor. Just Notepad is fine for us. So these are all the steps are involved in this demo. We have step number 1, 2 and 3. The step number 1, we will be downloading and installing the JDK, and step number 2, we will be configuring system environment variables, and the final step, the step number 3, is we will be testing the installation with simple Java program. Let's begin. First, let's download Java. That is the Java JDK. Let's download the JDK version, JDK 1.8 version. So to download JDK, just go to Google and just type JDK 1.8 version. And it'll, in the first link itself, go to this first link, and here you can see there are multiple versions displayed. So based on your operating systems, you can just download the JDK version. Now I am using Windows 64-bit, so I'll be downloading that version. Just click on download. And it will ask you to sign in. So if you are not having an account in oracle.com, just feel free to sign up and just sign in. And it started downloading now. It got downloaded now. Let's install. Just click on OK. Yes. And click on next. So no need to change anything, just click on next. And it will install JRE as well. So while installing the JDK itself, it install JRE. Just click on next. Java is running on 3 billion devices. That's very nice, right? Click on close. And so once you are done with that, then go to command prompt, and here just type Java -version. Just make sure the version has been installed now. Now what is the next step? Next step, we'll have to set the path variable Java home. So for that, just go to we'll have to pick the Java location where it has been installed. Go to C drive, program files, and there is Java here. This is a JDK location. Copy this location and go to edit environment, go to system environment and paste the location variable value and type java_home. Click on OK and OK. Click on OK. Now let's run java c. It's not recognized, right? So Java is recognized, Java C is not recognized. That means the path whatever you said, that is not proper. Okay, so now let's go to edit environment again, and here there is a Java home, and now there is a path. Here, go here, and there is a new variable, just percentage java home percentile slash bin. Click on OK. Now go to CMD. Now you see, if you put the path variable properly, you can see all the, this is the Java C is one of the Java toolkit. So by using the path variable, we are telling operating system to know the path of toolkit. Okay, simple. So if you see here, there is a bin here. This path we are put, like here there are a lot of tools are available. Java is there, and Java W is there, and Java C is there, Java Doc is there. These are all Java given tools. So we are telling operating system to recognize this tool path. That's why we are setting up the the path. Okay, now close this. Now we are done with this, and now let's go to Notepad and let's open the Java program. So this is one of the simple Java program where we have the main my class and public static void main. We're just printing welcome to Java programming. Okay, so now go to the path where CRAG programming, simple programming, core Java. Yeah, so here is my class. Okay, so just type CMD here and just type Java C tab, and you see here is a class file has been created. To run the Java, type Java, the name of the class file, and do enter, and you see the magic, welcome to Java programming. That's nice, right? Let's recap now. We installed JDK and we wrote our first Java class in test editor, and by using the Java class we generated .class file, and finally by using the .class file we run our first Java program. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Until next time, take care. See you soon. Bye bye.